What's up, guys? Hope you guys, and I'm here with.
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So today, we're back with another reaction video, and we're reacting to Mary Go Chiraa. Yeah, this one is remix. Inana RayKaz 9, Don't Major, West the Rapper,
Don't Major, baby.
African Wine. Tatenda ngaripoka pa original. Dio ndumurite song.
Anonopedzerere manje.
Akumana.
Anopedzerere the original.
The original ya K-Flow, right? K-Flow, Baka, Kiki.
Yeah.
Who else was
there?
The Bees. Okay.
But
But imagine Miratono Tina Nani.
because I was what I want my buzz.
Hey, RayKaz 9, Don't Major, Where's the Rapper? Then African Wine.
Because I beat
Oh.
Sure, I told her.
To the.
No, to my buzz, but the beat is crazy though.
So to that.
The beat is crazy.
Yeah.
But I don't know how I want to
Tulozo Keja, the original versus remix, which one is fire? Comment down below.
I got
I'm
a one guy.
Yeah. So someone will comment down below which one is your favorite. I mean, which one is fire, remix or original? So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Yes, sir.
You know the vibes. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Hey, boy, very good.
What the hell just happened? Oh my god. Is that
RayKaz? Verily, scarily bury an enemy. Put the rapper in a mismatch in an instance when a diss track make him piss.
Go kanzi chiko ne huku. Hanzi chiko ne huku.
Aiwa apa idharu to huku etumbu batitswa. Engatongotengeri fire.
Mary go.
Engatongopinda fire.
Aba munalina atorina tsitsi. Aba ndiye kutanga.
RayKaz.
Okay.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Is that
Verily, scarily bury an enemy. Put the rapper in a mismatch in an instance when a diss track make him piss pants. Have him gift wrap like it's Christmas. Had this one baby with the gym pants and the implants trying to get mans. It was ludicrous told her.
But Mira. I have a feeling that RayKaz akatanga urwa ma diss track.
Anuraiwa.
But I don't AK.
I know that one. Oh,
AK.
I know that one. I know that
because
one.
Because that's what my district chayo.
I know to that one.
Kwelezo my kids game so district
chayo. Yeah, I know to that one.
Get my jokes.
Yeah, I know to that one. Cause I know zoti mabazi ya. Oti pa flow foot the same thing.
Cause I have a feeling. I don't know, guys. I'm just saying.
Because Gaya ni flora pina na rash kutisa.
Abachukuyani anopinda personal. Aninga na connection with CIT.
Kuti uyani tanishi
turasha. Oh, I know I'm turashanga paper.
Hey,
right into that paper week.
Yo.
But I got cool list trash.
Christmas had this one baby with the gym pants and the implants trying to get mans. It was ludicrous told her to get back. Why we young, chillin' with a Kylie young. She don't even know I'm about to dribble a Kyrie young. Money coming Siamese wonk. Cassie about to double it or triple it. Mary go, Chiraa. Fire flow, Chiraa. Kia clone, Mira. Clean as fuck, Chiraa. Yeah. Did it by me.
Fire flow,
Vira.
Ayo. What's the clean drip? That's a clean drip.
Chiraa, yeah, the last one.
Yeah. Ayo. Okay. But I see you did this one. It's got a lot of audit, but it's not too long. That's what I really like. Quick to the point. Short. Quick to 6 minutes.
Straight to the point.
Right.
Kia clone, Mira. Clean as fuck, Chiraa. Yeah, did it by Medico. When I don't buy her, put her on leash, or you can watch Medico. Feeling like Shingy, stagger the team, and it's also a very ball. Very unavailable. Hold on, but I'm a Davido. Hold on, I lost lost a lot of friends, a lot of money. The only thing I
man.
Okay, it's okay.
Nah, it's okay.
Okay. Ask Chi. Why
is it?
Why?
Remix ike. Pega to record one. Ufunge nge etonzi to uraya original.
I feel like this item. So what I was saying in I am you have to aim to be the best.
Exactly.
Saka munhu wese ari kutongoisa all is best about auda kunguraya because pachatinzi ndianakauraya
paso
and
nemanje unongochitoti I should be the one, but yeah, it's okay.
yo.
feeling like Shingies. I got a team and it's also a very very unavailable. But I'm a David hold on. I lost a lot of friends, a lot of money. The only thing I want back is time. They can keep her up and keep her down. Lot of niggas hating, I be fine. If my nigga move across the line, I can't let him cross that shit again. I can't let you play about these bands. On the business where a nigga stand. Anjangopinde pese usingadure auna diri zvimwe zvacho ndakusira vana kunge munhu akunyora wiri ndina
so mate. But naina but I just zero to chichaitikera because dig. Nah, shout out to 9, bro.
Shout out
to 9. What? What? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Mira.
Okay.
If my nigga move across the line, I can't let him cross that shit again. I can't let you play about these bands. On the business where a nigga stand. Anjangopinde pese usingadure auna diri zvimwe zvacho ndakusira vana kunge munhu akunyora wiri ndina LXA kumadhoto ende totomutswa neshiri dzichiti okay inzonzwe
the papi baucha uya ubva ngoti muvhesi ndinotanga kudai
yes
mavhesi ekushebin reba wanipinga
vari dangerous
ndo zvandakatozoona
vari dangerous
kuti mubrain chaimo
vari dangerous
aiwa
they are dangerous
tisanimhanya mushina
ndakusira vana kunge munhu akunyora wiri ndina LXA kumadhoto ende totomutswa neshiri dzichiti okay inzonzwe
it's okay. It's okay.
And the totomutswa neshiri dzichiti okay inzonzwe I'm too street kunge intersection when I do spit and they say reaction and the truth is I'm kinda getting impatient moga uya muri from gender one direction gono kuzorora ndire vacation sadotanga bororo usina protection my price is rising and gonna inflation sandy size muchizo da quotation Mary go Chiraa kana ndapedza muchauchira out down chopa nekuchi bra out down pizza mumachira tuma baby toto tunika system access of vision kana kazanakirwa ukuvhara mari wakavhura zipi right now ndakutomboita za 50 chiti Mary wobo majesa kukanda mashotsi asebara
tambozoti hapana kana huku apa
because
apa pana vakatoti asitoda huku
tipei nguva yekufema
kuzi switch pinda switch pinda
LXA akamixa
marepa kusika nchipinda mugame ndikagara nekrona ndisimu ndakakanda chirasa enzo maniga shall get to the top of the mountain my rhymes are subset joko maniga my flows like a Paris fountain inini ne mic to the Bonnie and Clyde kwandisa pa feature where that's suicide I'm a lion but ndina pride I came I saw wanna conquer and divide ukafamba ne pace kufamba na weso nokwara ne dzungu se uri pamberi go
Tangatiri mama Chiraa 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 Tangatiri mama Chiraa
Wakuzona zakanye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wakuzona sapakuzi kanye X Rihanna kana.
Exactly. African wine. But you're right. Yeah, I'm going to film.
Motibe cuz
To breathe in.
yeah. Awatsamu.
Now I'm going to comment section is on the original or the remix. Because very tricky.
Yeah. I know you're so tambo. I know so tambo. That was fine.
That was fine. Everyone that was so
That was fine.
But you told me just.
I don't make up busy. Did you know about?
That was crazy. But yeah, that's it for the reaction video, guys. I hope you like it. Comment down below. I'm not far original the remix.
Yes,
Yes, sir. And subscribe to my personal.
Yes, sir.
Yo, guys. Yes, sir.